You are welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning more about area of a circle. Here is an example of the question to be solved. Find the area of a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Take pi as 22/7. This question is represented in a diagram like this. The line drawn from the center is known as radius, and the radius is taken as 3.5 centimeter. How do we find the area of a circle? Pi r square. To find area of a circle, we use this formula, pi r square, which means pi times r times r. That r will appear 2 times. So our radius is 3.5. Three and a half cannot be easily used. We need to change it to improper fraction. And we have little way of doing it permanently. We say denominator times whole number plus numerator over denominator. I repeat, denominator times whole number plus numerator over denominator. That is 2 times 3 plus 1 over 2, which will give me 7/2. This is the improper fraction that I will use to substitute r in finding the area of this circle. Therefore, 22/7 times 7/2 times 7/2. Then we look up and look down and divide. 1 7 we cancel 1 7. Use this 7 to delete one of the 7 up. Don't use 1 7 to delete 2. Now we look at any other number I can divide. 2 is here. 2 here, 1. 2 into 22 is 11. Then we multiply the numerators and denominators. 11 times 7, 77. 2 times 1 is 2. For clarity, I will bring this down to get the final answer. 77/2. Then we divide. 2 divides to 1. 2 into 7 is 3, remaining 1. So I'll hang the 1 here, becomes 17. How many 2 will I get in 17 will be 8. I will write 8 to remain 1. That one will be written on the 2 that is dividing it. Cm squared, or 38.5 cm squared. That is if it will be in decimal points. This is another example on area of a circle, in which number given cannot be divided exactly by 7 and diameter is given. How do we solve this type of problem? Let's go. The diameter is 20, and we don't use diameter to find area of a circle. We divide diameter by 2 to obtain radius first. Radius equals to 20 divided by 2 by 10 meters. You obtain radius, then you apply the area of a circle, which says pi r square. Pi r square equals to area of a circle. We now substitute by saying, using the pi given to us, that is 3.142 times 10 times 10, is one of the easiest questions. But when children see decimal, they're always scared. So we are going to 10 times 10 equals to 100. 3.142 times 100. then we can use shifting method. And when you are multiplying decimal by a number that has 0, decimal point moves to the right. The number of 0 dictates number of time decimal point should be moved. So in this case, we have 2 zeros. So the decimal point will be shifted to the right 2 times. 1, 2. So 314.2 meter square. This will be the final answer in this situation. So we are giving another example on area of a circle. In case we are given a number that 7 cannot divide easily, or they ask us to leave it in terms of pi. They ask to leave it in terms of pi. You follow the same pattern, the same area of a circle as area of a circle, pi r square. But from the question, you are asked to leave the answer in terms of pi. So just rewrite by saying pi times r times r, which simply means pi times 6 times 6, which is going to give me 6 times 6 is 36. You now write 36 pi and put the units cm squared. Final answer. Thank you for listening.